Hi, this is Miss K. In today's video, I'll show you how to take long screenshots on your Android device. To get started, open the page, website, or app that you want to capture. Take a regular screenshot by pressing the power and volume down buttons at the same time, or use your device's screenshot gesture if available. After taking the screenshot, look for the Capture More, Scroll, or Long Screenshot option that appears on the screen. Tap it, then continue scrolling until you've selected the entire page you want to capture. Once you've captured everything you need, tap Save to store the long screenshot in your Gallery or Photos app. You can then view, edit, or share it just like any other screenshot. If your Android device doesn't support long screenshots, you can use a trusted third-party app from the Google Play Store that offers scrolling screenshot features. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to take long screenshots on your Android device. Happy watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.